This 2019 Coachmen Mirada 3.5 double slide, 1.5 baths, bunk beds is a Class A RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Coachman is 36 feet 10 inches in length and features Sleeps 9, Slideout, TV, Skylight, air conditioning, self-contained, and 70 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bath and a half, bunk beds, bunk over cab, mid-bunk, mid-kitchen, rear bath, rear bedroom, U-shaped dinette. This 2019 Coachmen Mirada 3.5 double slide, 1.5 baths, bunk beds is built on a Ford F-Series Super Duty chassis and is powered by a Triton engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.